Hey guys, I've gotten 2 orders in the past day, so I'm going to pack them with you guys. So our first order is for Lily. She got 5 mystery candy singles, so here's my packaging. I'm going to pick that out right now. So here are the 5 singles that I'm going to give her, and then I also have a couple freebies to give her, of course. So those are the freebies, and I've also added in a couple really cute beads in there, including dinosaurs and stars. So we're gonna seal that up, and then it'll be on its way ASAP. So next order is for Della. She ordered 1-star candy cuff in the yellow and orange variety, and I'm restocking these today, so keep an eye out. I just gotta make some more. Here are her freebies. That says ooze, by the way. It's upside down, my bad, but those are her freebies. And here's me packing her star cuff. I wrapped it in some parchment so that it doesn't get any, doesn't get damaged. I doubt it will. But yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting my business, and thank you for all the love.
What the race to China? Just the race to China.
Where's Latrell?
On the dance floor.
What I do is I just go like this, put it around my fanny pack.
Guess who got a dog collar from Amazon? Honestly, that tip is such a lifesaver, but the only thing I was worried about is since it was loose on both ends, that I might be clumsy and I might drop all my candy. So to prevent that from happening, I grabbed a choker that I just had on hand that also buckles, and I put it through the little metal thing on the dog collar, and I hooked that part up to my hydro, like so. And then the other part. So now when I unbuckle it, I just have to hold it from one end, and I can grab the candy off from the other end.
Package a fake order with me until I get a real one. This is part 2. So first I'm gonna grab my cute little packaging, and I'm gonna go with 2 scoops of mystery candy confetti today. So here's everything that I pulled out. Here's the pearlers and the bracelets. Here I am packaging them all up. And here are the freebies I'm giving. I recently got this cute little candy that I'm gonna throw in there. Just want to let you all know that there's a new listing on my Etsy. It is 5 custom candy singles, so please feel free to check it out. Click the Instagram in my profile and then click on the bio. Bye!
Your sister's going to jail. Have a little compassion.
And would you stop taking pictures of yourself? Your sister's going to jail.
Calling all candy kids. Show us the first candy you made if you still have it. The first candy that was traded to you. Your newest candy. Your biggest candy. Your tiniest candy. Your favorite candy. Your candy that you will never trade. The candy that took you the longest. A candy you messed up on, but you still love it. And the candy that was most recently traded to you.
Gonna get my finger in your ring pull. So slot your pennies in the vending machine of love and take that dizzy little mink that you've been dreaming of. If you curse with the thirst of a lonely man, you can get your juices flowing with some only cans. Every glamorous can
then you're gonna take this string, right? You're gonna separate your two words. See how I have ho and then bag here? You're gonna get this end of the string and you're just gonna place it inside the first word. So just look at me. I'm separating my two words and then I'm placing this end of the string inside of my first word. And the reason we did the second word upside down and backwards is because when you loop it, it's gonna be the right side up. So I loop the string and it's gonna look like this. And once you tie it like that, it'll just, and then just finish your candy. After that, just tie it as normal. Oh, hold on. And once you get the hang of it, you're just gonna be making so many of them. But this is how it looks.
This took many days, but look how cool it is.
And it spins. It freaking spins, you guys. And it's Bowser.
A little bit ago, I had the opportunity to work with one of my great friends on some alternative ways of wearing candy because of their sensory needs, specifically low contact to avoid overstimulation, and I thought it'd be fun to share with the class. First off, they pretty much hate anything touching their body. So while technically traditional candy is out, that means that belt chains are in, which is great for me. However, they can wear traditional candy as long as they have something else underneath it, like a shirt to buffer the texture. However, isolated pressure did become a problem after a while, and this went for all appendages. Chokers were almost okay, but you can forget about pearl necklaces because they only touch the back of your neck. Now, if you can imagine that there are two ears here, then candy animal ears are a great option because they don't touch you at all. And I didn't ask about beaded clothes or harnesses, but I'd assume the same rules apply, if not just a no. But moving on to my favorite option, beaded shoelaces. No matter how simple or extreme you go, I've always loved the results, and they're completely no contact. The same goes for keychains. You can rep the look without even having to touch it. My friend has one of my Pride Stars on their wallet, and they've informed me that it doubles as a great fidget toy. We were on pretty short notice, so I'm glad we were able to find so many options in such a short amount of time.
Light work, no reaction.
Light work, no reaction.
Ooh. Okay, it's got a little kick. Oh.
Let's find some candy goodies at Walmart for a necklace. Also this one. Didn't get these but probably should have. Looks familiar. Brain said mood candy. OMG one. That price though cry. Surprise pickle or cat. Was a cat. Yay now to make some candy.
It really is not that hard. Guarantee.
Let me give you an example using one of my free patterns here on candypatterns.com. Candy Patterns is the only place that offers this like numbered system here, at least from what I've seen. If you look closely, you can see they actually number the rows for you. Row 1, row 2, row 3, and I understand how this could be intimidating. Take your string, fold it in half, and turn it to the side. Top string will be row 2, and the bottom string will be row 1. Row 1, row 2. You put that right like that. See? And when you put the string back together, we're back to row 1. Okay? And this only works with flat patterns, okay? Black patterns only. And here's a better visual so you see the rows. To go up a row, we're going to put a bead on this string here. And then you put through the bead like that. Row 3!
Disco, you say party, disco, disco, party, party. I say disco, you say party, disco, disco, party, party. Solo. Fantastic.
Part of why I'm so good at candy like this is because this is my first candy. From the beginning, I always challenged myself to learn new things, and I've only been doing this for just over a year.